Hey guys, I'm Zach. Welcome to my tech tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you hstr, a short history suggest box. It's basically the equivalent of a command line clipboard manager. So first, to install it, you type this command. Y is the package manager, S stands for search, hstr-get is the name of the package. Since I already have it, I will skip the installation. Now, let's say you have some complicated command in the past that you used, maybe like this one, but you don't remember how exactly you have got it. Maybe you don't remember the option used, this -s for search and install. So basically, you can type either HH or hstr, so I'll do HH, to launch the app. And once you're in, you can literally just search for the command you've used. So what I have remembered is that I did use hstr-get. Maybe I just found it via Google that's the name of the package, but I don't remember the options. So you can use the arrow keys to go down and navigate. If there are multiple options that matches, for instance, you can execute any one of them. And now I want to use this. So I will press the right arrow key to get it. And obviously I can execute again. And it works under the hood basically by reading your past history file. And I have thousands of them. So obviously this is the best tool I have ever used for my terminal. So that's it for today. The next time I will teach you how to actually use hstr with multiple terminals at the same time, like bash and zsh. And I would also teach you how to use it over SSH so you can get the remote commands as well. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like it, please like and leave comments below or questions, and I will be sure to answer any questions you have. If you want to watch the next tutorial or just enjoy my content, please hit the subscribe button or my Patreon page. Thank you so much for your help and have a great day.